Hey guys, we are back in the Foxhollow subdivision just like we said we would be, and today we've got another brand new home for you to tour and see. This one is called the Hickory plan. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom house, and let's take you inside in just a minute. Wait, I just got a text message. Let me see what this is. There's an extra incentive that just got placed on this home, so you're gonna wanna stay to the end to find out what you can do to save some more money if you wanna buy this house. Let's go start this tour. Hey guys, come on in. As you walk into this entry, it just looks so open and inviting. It looks really nice. You've got 10-foot ceilings in your foyer, your formal dining room, and your living room are all 10-foot ceilings. It feels nice and spacious. You've got nice, basically a trimmed out entryway going both directions. And then if you'll swing back by and let me show you this front door, you've got 8-foot solid mahogany doors. I love the wood doors with the glass. It's just a classy look, and it brings in a lot of natural light, as well as lets you see what's going on outside in your front driveway. As I back up right here, I'm in the formal dining room at the front. You've got chair rail molding, you've got the 10-foot ceilings, extra crown molding throughout the ceiling area, this nice chandelier with kind of like a little bubbly glass. I feel like that's really cool. And then just this nice window that overlooks your courtyard entrance of the front entry in the driveway. Walking in now, I walk right into this open living area. Once again, it feels really spacious. And because the fireplace, it's a gas log fireplace, it's got a painted white brick around it with a nice mantle. Up here is where you run your cords to connect your power for your television, as well as maybe connecting to a cable box right there. And because of the layout of this living room, you can really set it up any way you want. Whether you have a sectional, small furniture, large furniture, you've really got an open canvas here to really do the focal point going this way any way that you like. You also got power right here in the floor, and then all the floors right throughout this entertainment area are a vinyl plank floor. And so it's water resistant, it's pet resistant, scratch resistant. It's a really hardy floor, and this has a nice wider plank that really looks, I mean, it fooled me when I first walked in that I thought it was wood at first glance. So it really has a nice appearance that looks like real wood, even though you got the protection and the value of vinyl. As we look right this way, it goes right into this gourmet kitchen. You've got white quartz counters right here. You've got a stainless farmhouse sink. You've got this nice gray subway tile, which I love the color pop of that gray. They're still completing this house, so that you've got a vented hood up there. You can see the vent up there running through. Gas, you got all Samsung appliances. This is a gas range right here. And then you've got the nice white painted cabinets with soft closed drawers. And then look in this direction, you've got the Samsung microwave, the oven right here. This would be a space for your refrigerator. And then over here, these spaces end up being, you know, a coffee bar or maybe some sort of a makeshift wet bar. Nice little space right there. And then it all kind of looks this way. I guess I should mention too, on this island, you've got a nice little lip here where you can pull up your chairs. It's a counter height island right here, so you've got plenty of room for probably 4 or 5 chairs right here to sit up. And this is really the modern breakfast table. So this is where everybody's gonna eat and hang out as you're watching the game or preparing a meal. And then this is, compared to the house we saw last time, if you missed the last model home tour, the pecan plan, you can check out the card that's right above if you haven't seen that tour. But this breakfast area right here is a little bit larger than the one that's in the pecan. So if you were looking for a place to put a normal breakfast table that's larger, this Hickory plan is a better fit for you. And then you've got 3 windows right here that's letting in all the natural light and leads out to your covered back porch. To give you the full specs on this house, we've got a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath house, 2,749 square feet, priced at $592,900. It's a beautiful Truland home. And why don't we check out bedrooms 1 and 2 and a full bath. Follow me this way. Hey guys, I've really enjoyed showing you these beautiful new construction homes in Fairhope, Alabama. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy what you're seeing, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any more beautiful home tours. And if you're moving to our area in Alabama, my information is on the screen, and we would be glad to help you find your perfect Barbie dream house as you move into our Gulf Coast, Alabama area. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll continue the tour. So bedroom number 1 is right here on the front of the home. It's a good sized space. It's got carpet in here in all the bedrooms. And then you've got a double door closet right here, plenty of space for a full-size bed. I think you could possibly get a king-size bed in here. It would just limit your ability to have, depending on how many nightstands you needed, but plenty of room for a queen size and 2 nightstands on either side of that focal point wall. So bedroom number 1, right here on the front of the home. We've got a full bathroom right here. Number 2, I'll pull in where you can see it. And it's the same color package as the kitchen, and all the bathrooms are the same as well. You've got the white quartz counters. You've got the nice bubble glass right here, like the chandelier in the front. Now, what I do like is this white trimmed out mirror right here. It's a framed out mirror. It looks really classy. And then your doorway that I'm looking back over is also trimmed out and cased out. Looks really classy once again. And if you're not sure what trimmed out casing is, this is what I'm talking about. All your windows and doorways are all trimmed out with this extra crown, and it just gives it a really expensive look. Looks really nice. Your tub right here, you've got a metal tub right here, and then you've got ceramic tile surround right there. Love the color combination, really neutral, looks really, really nice. And it all walks into bedroom number 2 on the right-hand side of the house. And once again, similar in size to bedroom number 1. You've got carpet floors, nice natural light on the back of the home. So this would be your backyard right here. And then you've got the double door closet, which is really an average size closet. The one upgrade that they do in the Truland homes is you get wood shelving instead of the wire, which looks really, really nice. All right, we've seen bedrooms 1 and 2. Let's see where the magic happened. Wait, can I say that out loud? Let's go to the master bedroom. All right, guys, as we head towards the master, one thing I want to show you, we're going to kind of turn towards the master right through here, but you've got this nice space right here. It's basically under stair storage, which gives you plenty of room to have maybe a second pantry, maybe put all those brooms and cleaning things and just hide it all away in a nice, neat fashion. Now, I did say earlier that there was carpet in all the bedrooms, but I'm going to correct myself because the vinyl plank flooring actually runs from the entertainment areas into the master. So the master has vinyl plank flooring. All the other bedrooms have carpet throughout. You can see it's a nice big room. You've got a tray ceiling with recessed can lights. You've got crown molding right there in the tray. 3 nice windows. When I first walked into this room this morning, my first reaction was, wow, those windows are low. They're really just a foot off the floor, and that's not normal. And what I like about it is it just feels so connected to the backyard. So you've got a lot of natural light, and if you end up building a swimming pool or some sort of outdoor space, you're gonna kind of feel a little bit more connected to that space with how much light is coming through these windows. And then if you follow me this way, we're gonna walk into the master bathroom. We've got a double vanity, once again, 2 sinks this time, same color combination as the other bathroom. And then we've got this massive soaker tub right here with a nice neutral ceramic tile that surrounds it, kind of a splash guard. I love the little boxed window right here with the privacy glass. One of my favorite features is these frameless doors that swing both directions on these showers. I just feel like it's a really expensive, really classy look. And I love the ceramic tile and that neutral color that goes around the shower. And then the walk-in closet. You know, one of the things that I really like is having these built-in, like I call it a shoe shelf. You've got basically hanging racks that are high and low, wood shelving throughout. You've got another shoe rack right here. And then it walks all the way around and it comes around this corner. So you've really got a lot of space right here. It's one large walk-in, and that's really what I prefer. I feel like that just gives you a little bit more storage than have them separated into 2. Why don't we check out the pantry and the mudroom? Follow me this way. Right here, guys, coming right off that kitchen, we're headed right towards the drop zone as you come in off the garage. And this is a large walk-in pantry. So you got plenty of wood shelving, plenty of room for all your food and everything you need to make meal prep an exciting time. And then right here beyond the pantry is a nice laundry room. You got ceramic tile flooring, wood shelving, and other than that, it's a laundry room. And then as you come in this way, this is the garage entrance right here. We've got a mud room, kind of a drop zone. You've got the bead board, you've got a wood shelf, a bench right here to put your shoes or your boots on as you leave the house. And then you can actually put some racks in right here if you wanted to hang the backpacks or hang a coat, something like that. Got room to do that to make it whatever functions the best for your family. Let's go upstairs, check out this nice wood stairway as we go up, and let's go show bedroom number 4. At the top of the stair landing, right here as you walk in, this right here is attic access. So if you ever needed to get access to the utilities of the home, the working systems, you've got a walk-in access right there. And then over my shoulder is your third full bathroom. So as it walks in, if you'll take the camera right in there, you'll see that it's got the same color scheme as the other bathrooms. You've got the white quartz counters, the ceramic tile around the tub, and you've got the cased out mirror with the really cool lights right there above the sink. As you turn this way towards the back of the house, you enter bedroom number 4. Really the size of a bonus room. This room is really large. I like this space. You got great natural light. This would make a great, obviously it's a 4th bedroom, but it makes a great office, a great media room. I don't know that I'd want it to be a workout room because you're almost above the master, so you could probably hear everybody jumping around. But for a media room, bedroom, office, it works perfect. And then you've got a walk-in closet. It's a really generous size closet for this bedroom. Let's go outside and show you the back porch. Out here on the covered back porch, guys, it's a great space. I love the tongue and groove ceiling. Love the color of that natural wood up against this hardy plank siding, which is a concrete board. And if you're wondering what these pegs are all around your windows and around these exterior doors, anything that's built brand new by Truland Homes is a gold fortified home, which means it's built up to the latest wind and hurricane standards. And these pegs are designed to hold your covers. Some of them are Kevlar, some of them are metal, but in the event of a storm, you can cover all your exterior windows and doors and protect your home from any potential storm damage that's coming your way. I love this little area. You could easily screen this in and create a nice screened in back porch, and it all walks out to a nice flat backyard. It's fully sodded and has a 5-zone irrigation system. All right, guys, bring us into the kitchen to wrap this beautiful tour up. This Hickory plan built by Truland Homes, I told you I had some good news for you. Priced at $592,900, 4 bedroom, 3 full bath, and here's the incentive. Here's what you've been waiting for. I just found out from that text message that they've been advertising in the public that there's a $10,000 closing upgrade incentive given to a buyer. That means you can use that $10,000 towards closing costs, towards upgrades in the home, like adding a beautiful refrigerator right here. Well, today it's $15,000, which is awesome. You could take $15,000 to basically add possibly a screened-in porch. You could add blinds throughout the house, anything that you wanted to change. Maybe you want to paint an accent wall. You've got the money there to do it, as well as cover your closing cost on your loan. And then I've got even more better news. You might say, well, Matt, I'm just going to use that to buy the rate down because the rates have been a little bit higher in the last 12 months. Well, guess what? With this special, the rate is already down on a 30-year fixed note. So let's see what we got, Chris, if you want to bring it in close. We've got today on an FHA or VA loan, 4.5% interest rate for 30 years. And on a 30-year conforming loan, conventional loan, we've got 5.25, which that is an amazing rate for 2024 because that is well below the 30-year average. I looked yesterday on the normal average rate for the entire country, and it was around 6.7. So that's a good 1.5% cheaper, and you still get the extra play money to custom the home to your liking at closing. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button. It really encourages me to keep going. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything else that we do. And we love showing you beautiful homes in our area of Fairhope, Alabama. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching more beautiful homes in Foxhollow, we created this playlist right here. And if you don't want to miss anything we do going forward, you can subscribe right here.